Your plate looks full, but your body feels empty, does it? That feeling of constant tiredness is just normal aging. We're talking about something much deeper called hidden hunger. Think about kids growing up now. They might eat plenty of rice and wheat, but aren't getting enough good stuff. Low iron really messes up blood flowing to their busy little brains. Lack of zinc also stalls healthy growth, stopping kids from hitting their height potential. Adults face problems too. Poor concentration and endless fatigue can sneak up on you quietly. Older folks used to get tons of zinc naturally, but those old eating patterns are way different from ours today. Nutritional power in our favorite grains seems weaker than it ever was. Four big things are draining the goodness right out of our food. First off, some parts of Indian soil actually lack important zinc. Second, when we chased huge harvests after the Green Revolution, we forgot about quality. Third, factories lose so many nutrients when they turn food into fancy packages. Finally, we rely almost totally on just three main crops, mostly rice, wheat, and corn. People usually obsess over counting calories and checking protein bars, yet we completely miss the silent threat of missing minerals. Our food security looks strong on paper, maybe, but inside that's a quiet nutrition robbery happening constantly. Ancestral bread had amazing zinc levels, you know. Now those levels can be slashed by more than 50% easily. Achieving yesterday's nutrition takes mountains of today's food volume. Soil sickness plays a huge role in this slow decay. Too much fertilizer pushes out the tiny helpful elements plants need. Breeding decisions favored bigger sacs over richer insides, sadly. Then comes the industry taking control of flavors. Ultra-processing tricks your brain into wanting more sugar, fat, and salt endlessly. Eating only a handful of core crops shrinks your natural vitamin range fast. These small slips add up to a giant picture of undernourishment. 67% of women in India struggle with anemia silently. This shortage doesn't just hurt you personally either. It puts a heavy strain on our entire nation's economy too. Stunted growth in children hinders their future thinking abilities badly. Imagine trying to run a computer with a dying battery, mentally speaking. Sometimes we mistake this exhaustion for just regular daily stress. Are you tired all the time, wondering if it's just burnout? Maybe it's your body sending you a clear distress signal. There are powerful paths to fix this broken cycle, thankfully. One route is adding extra vitamins artificially to our supplies consistently, but another approach aims to heal the source itself deeply. Scientists are working hard to upgrade the very DNA of the seed before it grows. This process, called biofortification, makes the food inherently stronger forever. What's cool is farmers use these super seeds at the exact same cost as usual ones. Old wisdom combined with new science offers us incredible hope, truly. Simple cooking hacks can make a difference right in your own kitchen space. Try fermenting foods like dosas to multiply their actual nutrition tenfold. Sprouting seeds wakes up dormant powers, unlocking brand new vitamins safely. Always try to mix up what you eat, ditching the triple staple trap wisely. If you want the full breakdown on fighting this invisible famine, listen closely. Find the link below to watch the complete deep dive now. Don't let hidden hunger steal your best self from you. Check out Profile for podcast summaries.